YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, and thank you to all my subscribers that's already subscribed. I love you guys and thank you for watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go along and just click that subscription button. So today, your girl Tam Tam Kitchen, we are going to be making some curry chicken, and we are going to use fresh turmeric to make our curry chicken. So we're not going to use the turmeric powder, we're going to just use our seasoning like all purpose. I will show you guys, but this is going to be our substitute for the curry powder, which is the fresh turmeric that they use to make the curry. So I'm going to use the fresh turmeric today to make our curry chicken. So stay right there guys, I'm going to show you how I whip up my curry sauce. So stay along, we're going to cook our curry chicken today. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I clean my chicken. Just wash it with lime and vinegar. So guys, this is me showing you how I clean my chicken. So you just need to take off all the fat bits of the chicken. Yeah, just make sure you get it clean like so. Just make sure you take out these bits of the chicken, all the fat bits. Wash your chicken with lime or lemon, whatever you have at home. Lemon or lime is good enough. And we've got some vinegar here, so that's what I'm going to use to wash. That's what I'm going to use to wash my chicken. So I will show you guys when I am going to season up my chicken. Now I'm going to chop my vegetables. I've got carrots and sweet pepper, onion, thyme, and scallion. So I'm going to chop them so I can season up my chicken with it, with the all-purpose and chicken seasoning and stuff. So let's go ahead and chop your seasoning like so. And we're gonna chop our carrots now, just like so. And now we're gonna chop our bell peppers. Chop your bell peppers like so. And guys, how are you doing? How are you doing today? If you've got any requests for any videos, any food that you want to see me cook, just drop a comment below and I will do it for you. I'll make a video and do that for you. So just go ahead and chop all your vegetables. And I'm also gonna put a potato as well. I'm gonna cut some potatoes to put in my curry. I'm gonna cut it up just a little bit later on in the video. Call it Irish potato in Jamaica, but here in England they just say potatoes. So your thyme, just chop your thyme very small like so. Yeah, just chop it like so you can get all the flavor out of the thyme. Yeah, and we are gonna chop our scallion. I'm just gonna use half of this, and then later on I will put this on top of it when it's steaming down. So just cut your scallion like so. I like to cut my scallion like this so I can get all the flavor out of it. Put it on the chicken and it's gonna make it taste delicious. So guys, if you reach here right now and you haven't subscribed or liked my video, please just click that like button. Thank you. I appreciate you watching my videos. And there you go, all chopped and done. Look, that's your vegetable all chopped and done. Now we are going to grate the turmeric and then we season the chicken. We are going to do our turmeric now. When you are doing your turmeric, make sure you put a gloves on like I am doing now. And then let me just cut it here. We are gonna grate the turmeric. Yeah, we are gonna grate it like so. You can do this in a bowl, but I'm just doing it in a flat plate. So I can just scrape it off right in the pot when I'm about to do my turmeric. So just grate your turmeric like so. And guys, make sure that you wear a gloves because this will stain your hands. It's really stainy. If you don't use a glove, then your hands is going to be very yellow. And you don't want that. So can you see how pretty that color is? Ooh. So continue grating your turmeric like so. So these are, I would say, large pieces of turmeric. So you can use about 3 pieces of turmeric. And if they're very tiny, maybe use 4 or 5. Because you want to get that flavor and you want your chicken color to look very pretty. So stay tuned. I show you when I finish grating my turmeric. That's the turmeric finished grating. Can you see that gloves? This is why I said use a gloves to do this. And now I'm just gonna use a fork to just take off all of my turmeric from the grater. And you need to wash your grater straight away because then you don't want to leave it and let it stain for later. You need to just wash this. Just take a little minute and wash it straight away so you can get all of that yellow stain off, because as I said guys, this is basically coloring, and turmeric is very good for your health too. And if you do have acid reflux when you use curry, because most people do have acid reflux when they use a curry powder because there are like other seasonings in there, you can always use this. When you eat this, when you use this to make your curry chicken, you don't get no acid reflux. That looks so good. So we're going to put this aside, and now we're going to season up our chicken, and then when we're ready to cook the chicken down, I'll show you how I do this. So I'm just going to put some chicken season on here, and you can put some all-purpose as well. I'm just going to throw my seasoning in, chicken seasoning in, like so. Just make sure it cover all of your chicken. Make sure it cover all of your chicken like so. That looks so good already. That's about 2 tablespoons. And now we are gonna put some ginger, some ground ginger, or you can use fresh ginger. It's up to you. But today I'm using ground ginger. Garlic flakes. I'm gonna add some chili flakes. And we are going to add some cayenne pepper to get that peppery flavor. But cayenne pepper is very beneficial. So rather than using Scotch bonnet, which is gonna, maybe make you have acid reflux because of that spice, this cayenne pepper will actually help your acid reflux. So I'm gonna use cayenne pepper. And now I'm gonna put half a teaspoon of salted salt, and we can add some more salt later on if we do need it. Now we're gonna rub our seasoning in. Make sure that you wash your hands properly and then you season your chicken. See that? That looks good. So now I am going to add all of my fresh seasoning in my chicken like so. That looks so good. That looks so pretty. Yeah, so now we are gonna just rub in this seasoning, and at this point I'm gonna put a bit more of the chicken seasoning on. So rub your seasoning like so guys, incorporate everything together, and now we are gonna leave it for half an hour and let it marinate. Half an hour to 1 hour, just leave your chicken to marinate, and then we are gonna cook up our curry chicken. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So now we are going to cook our chicken. So I'm turning my stove on. Let your pot that you're using get warm, and then we're going to add some coconut oil. We are going to add our coconut oil to the pan. Because I need to use about 2 tablespoons of oil, because remember we need to fry that fresh turmeric and burn it. Not literally burn, but I need to make sure that it's well done. My coconut oil is melted now, so I'm gonna put my fresh turmeric in. So just put your fresh turmeric in like so. I'm gonna put some more coconut oil in there, so you can add your coconut oil as you go along, because you don't want it to stick to the pan. You want it to be fried up nicely. That is your turmeric frying up. So you're gonna leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure it's well cooked. Our turmeric is well fried up right now. We are now gonna put our chicken. Just put all of your chicken in. It doesn't matter if some of the vegetable is on it, because we are gonna be cooking everything up in the same pot. So just throw all your chicken inside. So now we are going to just turn our chicken, or you can just do this. Make it easier for you. Just you can do that. Just give it a stir. Get everything combined together. Now just incorporate everything together. Now we are going to cover our chicken and just let it steam for about 5 minutes again. We're going to open it, and then we're going to give it a stir again. This is how your chicken look after 5 minutes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Woo! No curry powder. That is natural fresh turmeric. Now we are going to give it a stir again. Before you add any water to this, make sure that you keep your heat on medium to low. And we're basically cooking down the turmeric with the chicken, and just let everything incorporate into the chicken. And then after, we can add our boiling water and let the chicken cook down for about 15 minutes. And then we have a look at it again and add our fresh vegetable that we cut in the beginning. If you never tried this before, you better try this, because it tastes better than the curry powder. You just have a different flavor to your chicken. Just give it a different flavor. Still tastes like curry, but a better flavor than actually curry powder. So add water on your chicken just to slightly cover it. Don't want to put too much water in there. Can you see that color, guys? The color is nice. And at this point, I am going to put all of my fresh vegetables is going in right now. That's how I make my curry chicken, because I just want everything to just cook out in my curry chicken. Like, make sure everything get like very soft, so that the gravy bit can be thick. And I'm gonna add some Irish potato later on to it. That's what I always add last, the Irish potato. But I want all of my fresh vegetable and seasoning and everything to just cook down in my curry. I know some people add their vegetable later on, but at this point I love to add my fresh vegetables, because then you get all the flavor from the seasoning as the chicken cook. Everything just combine and make the chicken more nice. Have a look at that. Have a look at that. Look at the curry chicken. Wow, let me give it a star for you guys. Look at that. Wow, this look so delicious. Now we are gonna cover cover our chicken, and we are gonna leave that and let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we're gonna come and have a look at our chicken again. So stay right there. So now that's how your chicken look after 15 minutes. I did put it on low heat. So wow, that just looks so good. And at this point, guys, taste your chicken to see if you like the saltiness. And if you would like to add more salt, add a little bit of salt in there. Because remember, we add salt at the beginning when we were seasoning up the chicken. So add some salt to your likings. I did taste mine, and mine tastes okay. Mine tastes delicious. It tastes nice. So here is the Irish potato that I told you guys that I'm going to add to it later. As you can see, I cut like 4 big pieces. The reason why I do these one so big is because I will mash it to help thicken the gravy rather than adding starch or whatever, corn flour I should say. So just put your Irish potato like so and give it a stir. As you can see, it's getting nice and thick already. So at this point, I'm gonna add some scallion. Just add a bit of scallion, and I will add a, a bit of thyme. I'm just gonna add a bit of thyme there, just for flavor. You just put in this in there for flavor. We will not be eating this part. We will take it out when the chicken is finished. So put some thyme and some scallion, or you want to call it spring onion, and then we're gonna cover and leave it for about 10 minutes, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in 10 minutes. So while my curry chicken is cooking down, I am going to do some cabbage to eat with my rice and curry chicken. We're gonna eat the curry chicken with some white rice today, so I'm just gonna shred my cabbage like so. So do this with your cutter or your shredder. I don't know what the name of this is, to be honest. But I just know that it cuts my cabbage good and it peels your carrot good. So I think it's a vegetable peeler, it's called. I have no idea. But guys, as I said, I'm sure everyone have one of this in their house. If you don't, you can just buy one. Way easier than doing it on the chopping board. It comes out much thinner and it's easier to eat as well. It's not very big and chunky. Can you see that? Very nice. So just continue shredding your cabbage like so, and then I am going to show you guys how I shred my carrot. Now we are going to shred our carrot on the grater. As you can see, can you see how that shreds so thin and nice and very easy to eat. So now we are going to shred our carrot on this side of the grater. So shred your carrot like so. Be careful when you do that part. You don't want to cut your hands, and just take off the rest of the carrot. Now we are gonna just combine the carrot and the cabbage together. Just incorporate everything like so. And at this point, you will be able to tell if you need a bit more carrot too, so that the cabbage doesn't overpower it. But this look fine to me. I just need to incorporate it a bit more. And this is our cabbage and carrot when it's finished shredded. And I'm gonna add some vinegar and a bit of honey to it, here to give it that sweet tangy taste. Now we are going to do our honey and vinegar. So 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and now we are just gonna add one tablespoon of honey, and then we're just gonna incorporate it together like so, just to give it that sweet tangy taste. And that's how it looks, like that. When you finish mix it, we are just gonna drizzle the vinegar and the honey over the, you don't want to put too much, yeah, so do it to your likings. I'm just gonna put that bit, and we're gonna save this for later just in case we want to use it more on our cabbage and carrots. And just we're just gonna incorporate everything so that it goes all over the cabbage and the carrot. That's it, all done. And we're gonna just cover this and leave it until later when I'm serving up my rice and curry chicken. You guys will see it, guys. Ooh, look at that curry chicken, man. Like just look at the curry chicken, it just looks so good. Yeah, like the chicken looks so delicious. Look at that. Ooh. So guys, I am just gonna crush these potato, the big ones. I'm gonna crush them so that the sauce can get a bit thicker. Yeah, so I'm crushing the big potato. That's the reason why I did cut them that big, so that I could just crush them and thicken the sauce. And there's one more here. I'm gonna just crush it like so. Or you have an option to just take it out of your pot and crush it in a plate or in a bowl, but I just crush it in the pot like so. And I got about 2 more in here. There they are. And I'm just gonna crush it on the side of the pot like so, just to make the gravy a bit more thick, so I don't have to put no cornstarch or corn flour. Now you don't need that when you're cooking. Just use natural stuff. Guys, I wish you could just smell the aroma. Look how like like the curry chicken, it just bomb. It just bomb. Look at that. And at this point, I'm gonna give it about 7 more minutes just to simmer down a bit more, and then our curry chicken is gonna be done. And I'm gonna plate it up for you guys, let you guys see how my curry chicken look, and then we're gonna eat and show you guys me enjoying my curry chicken. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Oh man, like that looks so delish. I'm gonna cover it now and just keep it on low heat and just let it simmer down for about 7 to 10 minutes. Low heat, guys. Don't keep it on high heat. Keep it on low heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then curry chicken done. It's gonna be finished. Thanks guys for watching. Love you for watching. Love you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That's the chicken all done. The curry chicken done, and we're going to plate it. Oh my god, I just love how my curry chicken just look thick and nice. Like, look at that. Wow, the thickness of the sauce. And you know the skeleton on the thyme, we're just gonna take them out. So guys, just take out your skeleton and your thyme that you put in the last bit and just throw them in the bin. So that's it. Our curry chicken done. Finito. Let me give you a close-up look. Look at that. Ooh, sizzling. That is, oh my God. Natural turmeric. No curry powder to this. No curry powder. Just natural turmeric, guys. Look. And look at the color. Woo! Pretty. And I'm sure it's gonna be a delish. So stay tuned and watch me when I'm plating up my curry chicken. I'm gonna do some white rice with some cabbage and carrot. I'm now taking out my curry chicken and just we gonna eat around the table. So I'm just, don't that look good, guys? Don't that looks good? I'm gonna show you guys when it's on the table. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. That is my curry chicken and rice with cabbage and carrots. In Jamaica we call it vegetable. The panda side vegetable, that's what we call it, vegetable. Like, ooh, look at that curry chicken. Look, it's just the curry chicken for me, man. And let me open this. That's my cabbage and carrot, aka vegetable in Jamaica. And that's just some steamed rice. You can steam your rice. Everyone knows how to steam rice. Split up myself some rice. Put rice over here. Don't really need a lot of rice. Use this to do my vegetable as well. Just gonna put it here at the side. That looks good. That looks good. And it, as good as it look, tastes even more delish. So now I am going to share. Let me just swap these over. I'm gonna get a smaller spoon to take up my curry chicken. I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna just share my curry chicken like so. So soft and succulent, and I am sure if you follow this curry recipe, you are going to enjoy. You're really going to enjoy it if you just follow this curry recipe here. Now we're just gonna put some of that lovely thick sauce over the curry, just like so. Or if you want to put it on your rice, you can, but I don't like to put sauce on my rice. So voila. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Love you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press that subscribe button, and I will be dropping more recipes, so make sure you click that notification button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching my YouTube again.
And guys, I'm gonna show you a video of me eating my curry chicken.